your vocal range. How to determine your vocal range using an app or using a piano or keyboard. How to enlarge your vocal range, 4 exercises. This is Eleonora and I'm Pierre. Eleonora, last time we talked about vocal range theory. Now I'm curious, how can I actually measure my own range?
Great question. There are 2 easy and effective ways to do it. Want the low-tech one first?
Sure, hit me.
Method number 1, piano or keyboard mapping. Start by warming up your voice, like do some humming or lip trills for 5 to 10 minutes. Like this.
All right, warm up first. Got it.
Then sit at a piano or use a keyboard app. Start at middle C, that's C4, and sing down one note at a time on a vowel like A or U. The goal is to find the lowest note you can sing comfortably with a clear tone.
Ho.
Okay, next note.
Ho. 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 Ho.
Well, it was a bit sharp. Try to stay on pitch.
Ho. 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 Yeah, but what if it sounds like a croak?
Then you've gone too low. Stop just before it gets unstable or breathy. After that, do the same, going up step by step until your voice feels strained or thin.
And I have a question. Do I stay in chest voice or do I switch to head voice?
First, stay in chest voice as long as you can go. And after that, you can switch to head voice and practice the same.
Okay. And I write down those notes?
Exactly. That gives you your comfortable vocal range. For example, A2 to C5.
Oh, oh, oh.
Well, you started off. Stop. You started off a bit flat. Try to do it again.
Oh,
That's good.
oh, oh.
Stop. Flat again.
Oh,
That was good.
oh, 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 oh.
Good. Okay, here your throat gets tight, really squeezed. We want to avoid that, so let's switch to head voice now. But try to keep your throat really open.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, that was better. You started off a bit too sharp, but you corrected it. Stop. No. Okay, try to do this one more time. Stay open and relaxed. Stop. That's good for now. That's really good. Don't go higher. Method number 2, using an app or tuner.
Okay, what's the tech version?
There are apps like Vocal Range, Vocabary, or SingScope. They use your mic to detect pitch in real time.
Oh, nice. So how do I use it?
First, make sure your mic is calibrated and the room is quiet. Then, just sing your lowest and highest notes one at a time. The app will display them and often save your results.
That sounds more precise and less guesswork.
Exactly. It even helps you visualize the pitch, which is great for learning.
Okay, now I've measured my range, and how do I improve it?
That's the fun part. There are a few exercises that can help stretch and strengthen your range. Let me walk you through 4 of my favorites. Exercise number 1, straw phonation. This one's called straw phonation. Grab a thin straw like for a juice box.
Got one right here.
Perfect. Put it between your lips and blow air through it gently while singing a 5-note scale, like a soft bubble tone.
Through the straw like this?
Yes, like this. You can either put the other end in a glass of water for added resistance. Slide up and down your range, no forcing. It helps your vocal folds close efficiently without strain. Stop! You're going higher than 5 notes. And try to keep your tone even. Try to do a real legato line. That was good.
It's still weird, but kind of easy.
That's exactly the point. It promotes balance and lets your voice access new pitches safely. Exercise 2, lip or tongue trills. We've already worked on them, right?
Yes, I slightly remember, yeah.
Start with light airflow, trill on a 5-note scale and gradually move higher and lower in pitch. Keep everything relaxed, no clenching. Like this.
Now I leave Eleonora for 6 seconds and talk to you directly. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video. Back to Eleonora.
Although I prefer tongue trills. Okay, I will show you a few tongue trills. It increases vocal flexibility and smooths out register transitions. Think of it like greasing the gears of your voice.
Okay, I'll try to do it.
You're going too high in pitch already. Try to stay on the 5-note scale. That was better. Good. Stop! You went off pitch. Try to do it one more time. Okay, that seems to be like the end of your chest voice at this moment. Let's not go higher. Go down. Like this. Try to keep your space open. Try to do it one more time. It was better, but try to stay more relaxed. One more time. Better. Try to do it without a t. Just use the r. That's much better. Good. Now we carry on to the next exercise. Exercise number 3, gi in a spoken voice. This one helps with high notes. Say gi like a cartoon character. Gi!
Like this? Gee! Key. That's correct.
That's correct. Now try to sing it on a 1-3-5-3-1 scale and work your way up. This technique adds brightness and resonance, and it makes high notes easier to hit without strain. Like this.
Okay, I'll try it now. Key.
You're off pitch.
Key. Key.
And try to stay more legato. Let it flow. Let your voice flow.
Key.
Good.
Key.
That's really good.
So it's not about volume but placement?
Exactly. It's like aiming your voice upward onto your hard palate. Exercise number 4, sirens. Pick a vowel like oo or e and gently slide from your lowest note to your highest and back down.
Like a police siren?
Yes, like a police siren. Let me demonstrate.
Okay, now I'll try. Again?
No, that's it. But keep the sound smooth and don't worry about perfection. The idea is to stretch the vocal folds and blend your registers.
Now it feels like a full vocal body stretch.
That's a great way to put it. It conditions your voice to travel smoothly through your entire range.
Wow, so these exercises can actually increase my range?
Yes, but gradually. The point is not to push but to encourage flexibility and strength. Think of it like yoga for your voice.
Thanks, Eleonora. That gives me a full toolkit to work with.
You're welcome, Pierre. Stick with this consistently and you'll see real progress. Let your voice grow with patience and curiosity.
Give me just a minute to summarize. The vocal range is the span between the lowest and highest notes a person can produce. It is measured in octaves. Most people have a vocal range of about 1.5 to 2 octaves. Trained singers can extend this to 3 or more octaves, and some exceptional singers have ranges up to 6 octaves. Apps that could be used to determine your vocal range are Vocal Range, Vocabulary, or SingScope. Exercises to enlarge the vocal range. 1 is straw phonation, sing through a straw. 2 is lip and tongue trills on a 5-note scales, start on a comfortable pitch, then move higher and lower. Number 3, gi in a spoken voice, start spoken, then sing on a 1-3-5-3-1 move and move higher and lower. Sirens, finally, on oo or e, gently slide from your lowest note to your highest and back again. Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.